Yo, what's up? It's Breezy Vlogs, and today's gonna be day 2 of the Virginia Beach vlog. As you can see, sunny out. I think it's been a few hours since I last shot my time lapse at the beach when the sun was rising, but now it's currently like 8:50, maybe 9-ish. But yeah, we're gonna go to a new hotel because we don't really like this one, but it's farther away. I think it's closer to the fairgrounds. Or I think it's farther away than the fairgrounds. I don't really know. But yeah, we're gonna go to a new hotel right now, so that's what you're about to see. But yeah, I think we're just gonna go to the beach today. Maybe do some other stuff. I don't know. Just enjoy the day here at the beach. I think it's like 90 degrees outside. I can feel it. Super hot. But yeah. So we're on our way to the new hotel, since this one was a little, it was alright I guess, but it wasn't what we thought it was. But yeah, we're just on our way to go to La Quinta Hotel. I think that's how you say it? Okay, yeah, La Quinta Hotel. But yeah, it's way over there, like. So we're going on our way to the beach right now. We're just gonna go in and get a quick snack, but I think for tomorrow we're actually having planned a dolphin watching, like, it's a dolphin watching when we go on a boat, and yeah, so that should be fun. But yeah, so we're going on our way to the beach right now, which is all the way over there. That's no problem. But yeah, I think today we're just gonna be a nice chill day. I think yesterday we were getting like adjusted to everything. We're at the new hotel right now, we're waiting for our room to get ready, and just gonna go to the beach and chillax by the sand, or on the sand. So yeah.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey.
So we made it to the beach, where we're at right now. We're about to get into the water, have some fun, enjoy the day. I think it's 88. It went down a little, but it's still super hot. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the day at the beach.
Though our friendship ceases from now on.
Alright guys, so I'm making my way back to the hotel room right now. It's about 90 degrees plus, and I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt with jeans, so I think I'm just gonna go back and change and meet up with the family. So yeah, I'll meet you guys. Alright guys, so we're heading out right now to go eat with my family right now. I think we're gonna go to some restaurant near us. I don't know, I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna bring the whole gear setup, I'm just gonna bring the camera. So yeah, I'm ready. Alright guys, so we're walking to the little walkway at the beach. so we can go find something to eat right now. So yeah. Alright guys, so we finally chose a restaurant, and we chose King of the Sea buffet slash restaurant, and we're sitting nice and cozy on this patio. So yeah, King of the Sea restaurant.
When I'm gone, oh honey, so our
Alright guys, so I just finished eating at the King of Sea buffet. I had a Caesar salad. I think she had a cheeseburger? No. Alright. Yeah, but we're just gonna go enter into a shop right now, see what's up with all the clothes they have. So yeah. So it is currently around, let me check, 9:07, and they're having like a magic show over there. That's why you can hear all that sound in the background. But yeah, we're just walking around. I think we might go to the arcade. I don't know. But yeah. Alright guys, so I thought since, I'm leaving tomorrow, which I'm leaving tomorrow by the way, I thought I'd just go for a nice midnight swim for one last time, because we gotta leave here at 9 to be over at the dolphin watching place at 10, because we have to be there 30 minutes earlier, but we want to get a good seat. So yeah, we have to go a little earlier. So right now we're just gonna go to the pool, because we're not gonna be able to tomorrow, because tomorrow we have to check out and go to the dolphin watching place. So yeah, that's the plan.
friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say